What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and today's video we're going to be talking about how long your hair should be for certain hairstyles. And this may not be necessarily a actual hands-on hair tutorial, but I get so many comments and questions that I just think to myself sometimes, I go, I mean, it seems kind of common sense to me. For example, say you have somebody who's got hair length like this. All right, let's just focus on this mannequin head right here. Say you've got somebody who has, or you yourself has hair length like this, and you want to create a style that is this long. Okay, so we're going from this to this. The main question is, how long should my hair be? Okay, or if you see a tutorial of mine and you see how long this is, people always want to know, how long is it? And I'm like, I don't know, it could be 3 inches or it could be, 2 feet long. I mean, who knows? Like, I think so many people are wrapped up on the actual measurement of the hair for your own hair that I always say to you, and my best advice is, however long your hair gets to that point where you want it. So, if you're saying to yourself, or you're asking me, my hair is this short right now, but how long, I'm trying to get it to look like this. Well, basically just keep growing it until it gets to this point. And to me, it's like common sense, but that's how you have to break it down. And I know it's probably a lot easier for me as a hairstylist, but just think of it, with your own look, your own hair. If you have hair this short, you want it this long, grow it until it's this long, okay? Another example is a common style like this. All right, everybody always wants to say you're growing out an undercut, or you're growing out the sides, and you want the top to look a certain way, or you want your hair to look like a certain celebrity type haircut, and the question comes up, how long, or you want the measurements from my videos. Well, my best advice is show a photo or show a video. Just go on your phone or print out a photo and bring it into your stylist or your barber. They should know, because no one really knows how long it is, right? That celebrity or that whoever it is, they probably don't even know how long their hair is. They're just gauging it off of like, oh, it comes down to my lip, or it comes down to my eye, okay? Because sometimes if you go to a stylist or a barber and you say, I want my hair to be 3 inches on top, they might not even know what the heck you're talking about. They may think, oh, this long is like, 3 inches right here, and they're gonna chop half your hair off. Or you say, oh, my hair needs to be 1 inch long, and they leave it this long, which is like, 5 inches or so, and you're like, so you have to stop being so fixated on the actual measurements of the haircut, because not everybody is going to be able to duplicate that, and it may not be the exact same thing for your hair. So my best advice in this video, and for you guys that are watching, even women too, all right, is to just basically grow your hair until it's how you want it to look. It's that simple, all right? And if you want to go, now I have had many situations where clients have come into me and they'll have a haircut like this, right? And they want to go grow to this. I'll literally, now this is just me talking, as from my experience, I'll cut their hair so it actually grows out into it. And I'll say, look, I'm not going to need to see you for at least 4 or 5 months, because I know the way I'm cutting this, it's going to grow into that. Trust me on this. Not everybody is that experienced to do that. Not to say I'm the best in the world, but I'm just saying, it really takes somebody who really understands hair, who's really going to take that time with you, and who really can confidently explain to you why they're doing what they're doing. Like what I do, I share my experience with my clients. I tell them, this is why I'm cutting your hair a certain way to grow it out. So, once again, grow your hair until it's at the point that you want it. Another great one is, oh, my hair doesn't stay back. How long does it have to be for it to stay back? I don't know. Keep growing it until it stays back. There's no magic number to that. And a lot of people who ask me that are usually from the Middle East or different countries, whatever. So just keep it simple. And you have control of your own hair. So if it's not doing what it needs to do, just keep growing it until you like it, or until it looks like how you want it to look. So, I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you did, because I'm trying to simplify this for you guys. I love the comments, I love the questions, but it just seems like whether you're a new subscriber or somebody who has been watching my video for years, a lot of times the same questions keep popping up. And I just want to express to you guys, it's really common sense. You know, and it's a number of different things you have to go through, finding the right person, you know, growing your hair to where you like it, and whatever else I mentioned. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.